Excuse me. Good morning, friends. My name is Sheikh Suhail Irshad, and my registration number is 18BC 2007. And I'm doing computer organization and architecture from Dr. Danbal sir under Dr. Danbal sir. Now I'm going to give a detailed explanation on how I did my project. mm, how I did my digital assignment, and my digital assignment microprocessor selected is Apple A10 Fusion, um, or or it is also known as Apple 1024 or Apple 1W24. Okay, so I'm giving a brief introduction on Apple A10 Fusion. Excuse me. The Apple A10 Fusion is a 64-bit ARM-based system on a chip designed by Apple and manufactured by TSMC. It is first appeared in the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, which were introduced on September 7, 2016, and is used in the 6th generation iPad and 7th generation iPad. The A10 is the first Apple designed quad core with two high performance cores and two energy efficient core apples. Hmm. Oh, and Apple states that it has 40% greater CPU performance and 50% greater graphics performance than any other processor. So this is why it is used widely efficient. So, and I'm giving a general information. Its the launch date is September 7, 2016, and designed by Apple. Common features are common manufacturer is TSMC, and product code is as given Apple 1024 or Apple APL 1224 1W24, and its instruction set is having ARM V8, A64, A32, and T32. Mm, and predecessor is Apple A9 and successor is Apple A11. Now present we are using, and now we'll go into the DA question. The block diagram of this microprocessor selected. Mm, no, A10 has a L1 cache of 64 KB for data and 64 KB for instructions. Okay, that's all about this block diagram, and as I told on the clock internal diagram as given here. mm, Internal. Uh, this is the instruction set of the microprocessor. I am giving a brief. It's a CPU, ARM Cortex A8 core, and TrustZone technology allows for secure transaction digital right management. And it's a GPU graphical view has a 3D and 2D. It supports 3D and 2D, and VPU video decoding. It has HD 2160 by a display processing ability. It supports vertical keystone correction, support hardware cursor, support video enhancement, display quality. It has high display quality, supports HDMI V1.3, and image input ability. It has a dual camera sensor, so it is so widely efficient use. And based it is a memory is so efficient here. 8 bits NAND flash controller with 8 chip select peripherals. As we have 80 watt and 64 bytes and 3 2 wire. Next, security, it has supports DDES, 3DES, AES encryption, 128 bits. You see, and this is shown this in the block diagram. The instruction set is shown in the block diagram, or as registers are used to add or SBRD decrement operator branch instructions. I'm giving a branch instruction like R jump, L jump, or call, L call. All are used in Apple microprocessor. Mm. And now I'm moving into this all are instructions. Now moving this explain microprocessing element like this with with ARM Cortex 8 A10 will have a SoC. The A10 is dedicated to further development of connected HD video. It supports the HD quality of 2160 pixel with video decoding capability. Besides self-developing display acceleration frame MAL14, and this is the block diagram of this microprocessor sender, server and receiver. And my fourth question is a correlate microprocessing element. uh, This architecture is based on the Harvard architecture concept. This Fusion Bionic microprocessor uses a Harvard architecture concept with separate memories and buses for program and data. The program memory is executed with a two-stage pipeline with one instruction. With one instruction, the 128 bytes data SRAM can be easily accessed to the 5 different addressing modes supported in the AVR architecture. And this is the elaborate register organization as given here. Name, like suppose if you take TCC RO and see bit 7 is stored as and this bit 2 is CS02, CS01, CS00, and this is a register organization. And I'm going to explain the type of algorithm. This is the basic concept involved in this Apple microprocessor. The algorithm used is addition and subtraction algorithm, as we have learnt in this in the class. First we will go subtract operation, and after that excuse me, and multiplication and division algorithms are performed to calculate the arithmetic calculations in the processor. Next, I'm going to find what type of control logic unit used and correlates its performance with the type of control unit. Module 3, like the logic is a control unit specified by microprogram. The logic of the control unit is specified by microprogram. A microprogram is also called a firmware. It consists of one or two micro operations to be executed and the information about the micro instruction to be executed. Next, eighth question. We'll move into the eighth question. Explain the memory management system in the processing element selected, like flash, EEPROM, SRAM, as we have studied. Program and data addressing names, register file, addressing modes. Basically, the addressing modes used here: direct register addressing. There are two register: input output register direct addressing, direct data addressing. Involved direct data indirect addressing, data indirect addressing with pre-decrement, data indirect addressing with post increment, as we have studied in this microcontrollers and applications, and we are studying again in this computer organization and architecture, and we are using the Apple A10 Fusion. Memories are here: program memory and the data memory. The data will be transferred into program memory, and program memory will be transferred into CPU, and then executes and then it performs operations. Here next, elaborate the pipeline used. The pipeline used is a parallel processing. This section describes how to parallel program and verify flash program memory, EEPROM data memory, signal name in the programming code, pin name, function. And the 10th question, final question, is find whether processor level parallelism is available. The direct based cache coherence protocol. Direct based coherence protocols keep track of data being shared in an external data structure that maintains the coherence between the caches. The director works as a lookup table for each processor to identify coherence and consistency of data. And this is subdivisions involved in this: read miss, write miss, shared miss, as we have studied in this miss. Conclusion. The conclusion what I'm going to give is the Apple A10 Fusion is a system from Apple that built into iPhone. It indicates 72 divided into two clusters, two high performance cores. Yeah, I have given this. Yes, the series is Apple A series. Code name is Cyclone 4, and this clock rate is 2340 megahertz. Number of cores are 4 and threads are 2. Transistor count is 3,300 million. The GPU has Apple A10 Fusion, 64-bit support. Announcement date is 2000, and it is 1500 days old. This is all about Apple A10 Fusion. Thank you.